Good evening, sir, and all of my batchmates present here. I am Soumen Mondal, roll number 66, CE second year, third sem. Today I am here to deliver a PowerPoint presentation on our topic solar mobile charger with my friend Sourav Modak. We are working under the guidance of Mr. Somerjit Rai, sir. We are using solar energy and converting it into electrical energy. Next, contents. Now here you can see the contents of our PPT. Introduction, objectives, components required, working, result and discussions, specifications, conclusions, references, and next. Introduction. Mobile phones have been one of the most basic needs of our day-to-day lives. We almost do everything in our day-to-day life using mobile phone, right from waking up, where we can use our mobile phone as an alarm clock or an or using to call a cab or to order a food during lunch and dinner, and for our own entertainment, listening to music, watching a movie, etc. Also, during traveling, charging of mobile phone is the problem as power supply source is not generally accessible. Traveling charges for mobile phones, iPods, MP3 player available, but they are expensive and need separate models. And hence we came up with the idea of solar mobile charger, which can easily be charged anytime during presence of solar energy. The sun is made up of hydrogen and helium, and it emits enormous amount of heat. A solar cell, which forms a primary part of the solar mobile charger, works on the principle of photovoltaic effect. It is made up of packets of energy called photons. When a photon is absorbed, the energy of photons is transferred to the electron. Given the current energy, the need of more sustainable energy is required. Next, objectives. We study the basic operation of the solar mobile charger to know the advantages and limitations of its use, to know the future scope of the solar mobile charger, maximizing the use of it in day-to-day life. Next, components required. The hardware components needed for making a solar mobile charger are solar panel, voltage regulator, switch, resistor, output jack, etc. Next, working. This is the diagrammatic working of our solar panel. So how it works? Solar panel works by allowing photons, particles of light, to knock electrons free from atoms, generating a flow of electricity. Solar panel actually comprises many smaller units called photovoltaic cells. Many cells linked together make up a solar panel. Each photovoltaic cell is made up of two slices of semiconductor metal, usually which occurs due to opposite pole. An electric field occurs when opposite charges are separated. To get this field, manufacturer dope electron with the other material, giving each side P and negative for positive and negative electron. Here is the transfer into the top layer of silicon, which adds extra electrons and negative charge to that layer. Meanwhile, the bottom layer gets a dose of boron, which results in a fewer electron or a positive charge. This all adds when electric field at a junction between the silicon layers. And when a photon of sunlight knocks the electron, field will push that electron out of the silicon junction. Couple of other components of the cells turn this into usable power. Metal conductive plates on sides of the cells collect distance and transfer to the wires. And that point, electrons can flow like any other source of electricity. Next, circuit diagram. So here is the circuit diagram of solar mobile charger. Here we getting inputs from solar panel. Then we have 100 microfarad capacitor. Then IC7805, the voltage regulator IC, which controls and regulates the voltage, and 10 microfarad capacitor and 100 nanofarad capacitor parallel to it. And then output goes to USB. Basically, the sunlight is absorbed on the solar panel and then converted to electrical energy, of which voltage is regulated using voltage regulator and capacitors, and then it used to charge the mobile. Next, the electrons thus convert solar energy to electrical energy. The voltage regulator ensures that final output voltage does not exceed 5 volt. Thus, constant voltage is supplied and the mobile gets charged. This is all from my side. The remaining part of the presentation will give my friend Sourav Modak. So Sourav, please continue.
Thank you, Soumen, for giving me this opportunity. I am Sourav Modak, PC second year, third sem. So, as we are discussing about solar energy based mobile charger, here I will discuss about results and application of the gadget. One, it can be used in various applications that has a lot of features, relatively small size and can be used anywhere so that it is portable. Requires no electric startup power because it is only work on solar energy. Higher efficiency than photovoltaic system of the same size. Photovoltaic system is PV system. PV system or solar power system is an electric power system designed to supply usable solar power by means of photovoltaics. Higher efficiency than next, low maintenance, emissions free and environment friendly. But one of the major factors that needs to be discussed is about the cost. Solar charger is again like all other solar energy gadgets. It is not cost effective and way more expensive. The charging rate of solar charger can be much slower than that of normal charger. These are the few points that are to be discussed so that solar charger can be used without any disadvantage. Here is the specifications. Uses high efficiency monocrystalline silicon. Solar panel we have used 5.5 volt or 1000 milliampere. Output voltage is 5.5 volt. Output current is 300 to 550 milliampere. As we all know that gadgets have their own advantages and disadvantages. Here is some advantage. Cost effective. This solar mobile charger is not so costly. The minimum rate of this product could be 350 rupees. Versatile. We are saying it versatile because of it is able adapted to many different function or activities. Like we can use different kind of USB cable for charging different kind of mobile phones. Utilize of renewable energy. Nowadays, using of renewable energy is the pure and clean energy source. Solar energy is the most suitable and powerful and environment friendly resource of energy over non-renewable energy. Next, portable. Portable means the mobile phone can be charged anywhere when exposed to sunlight. As it is work on sunlight, so there is no need of electricity. Low cost and reliable circuit. The circuit is not so complicated, so it is not costly or it can be repaired fastly. Disadvantages. Here is some disadvantages of the gadget. Time consuming. Charging a device by solar charger is much slower than the main charger. Solar mobile charger need to light, and also the efficiency depends on the angle at which the solar panel faces the sun. Toxic and hazardous materials are used during the production of photovoltaic cells. Uses lot of space. Different equipment require different size of solar panel to charge. So size of the solar panel is depends on its charging level. Here is the conclusion. The energy must thus be conserved and used efficiently. In solar mobile chargers, ripples are not produced as a direct DC power is supplied. Battery life is high and also its adaptability. So solar mobile charger is highly applicable in today's world. This due to the continual depletion of resources. Solar energy is renewable and can be used for the simplest way purpose, that is solar mobile charger. Here is the references we have used during the process. Google.com, Wikipedia.com and YouTube. This is the acknowledgement. We would like to express the special thanks of gratitude to our subject teacher, Mr. Somojit Ghorai, sir, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful presentation on the topic solar mobile charger, which also helped us in doing a lot of research and we came to know about so many new things. We would also like to thank our such helpful friends. Thank you to all for your time.